we're starting our morning off with some juice. I have green apple here, lime, and rinsing cleaning some kale and spinach to put in there. And then I'm going to store all of these juices in the fridge until I need to drink them. I'm just juicing for the weekend, so yeah, all of this is gonna get juiced, all of it. Over here in my juicer, I already have 2 small beets. I always make beet juice. It's one of my favorites. Usually I just do beets, carrots, and apples. But today, I'm gonna mix other stuff in with the beet juice. I normally don't do that because those 3 ingredients, beet, carrots, and apples, actually is a great solution for people who have cancer, from what I've heard. I actually have a friend of mine who had colon cancer, and she drank beet juice every day, 3 times a day before each meal, 30 minutes before, and her cancer is completely gone. Her doctor told her, and she had stage 4, that whatever she was doing at home with her natural remedies was working, along with her chemo, of course, and she also ate completely plant-based for the entire year. So I love the beet juice. It just cleans me right out. I feel so good afterwards. So normally I just do those 3 ingredients, but this time around I'm gonna add other stuff because I don't have any more carrots. So I'm just gonna add some spinach and other things to this, but I just love beet juice in general. So when I add lime, I always add it with whatever big stuff I'm gonna put in. I always put it in with the first batch because juicers tend to tear up the skin better on limes. If you just put them in by themselves, it's really hard to grind them. So I like to mix them in with whatever I'm doing. So this is the first batch. Right now I just have 2 beets, 2 pieces of lime here, and I have a pear. Also putting in some mint leaves in here. I love a strong mint taste. And then I'm just going to add some spinach. I love Produce Junction because they give you this huge bag. They were out of this bag of spinach, so I couldn't do that, so I had to buy the little containers. But this is the giant bag of kale they give you, and it's so cheap. These are going to be for the weekend. This one is the strawberry one. This one is just the plain beet juice with other stuff, and then this is my green juice. I didn't give you guys the recipes to everything because I'm doing a cookbook, and I am going to put some of these recipes in my cookbook. This is what I'm gonna drink today, which is this. I know I look like a robber. This is me, guys. Today I'm wearing my Harry Potter style glasses. I'm just getting ready to head to Walmart. I'm gonna be grabbing some stuff for the tree and just things I need from around the house. So I thought I'd bring you guys with me. I don't have much battery, so I don't know how much I can actually get on camera, but I figured I'm just doing a quick run before I go to the nail salon later. So, and then I have to go to work. So I have to come back home, take a shower, and get ready for that. So I'm probably just going to do a couple glimpses of me in the store. But I'll see you guys soon. Okay, guys, so I totally forgot I had my camera, and I got so caught up in buying stuff that I didn't film any of it. I'm so sorry, guys. I just forgot. Like, I'm just living life. But I got some really good ornaments that weren't there last time. So I usually check Walmart weekly to see like if any new stuff came in when it comes to Christmas ornaments, and they got a lot of new stuff. So I'm gonna show it to you guys when I get back in the house. I'm just gonna run to Lowe's really quick because my aunt said they have really dope ornaments there. And I'm gonna see if they have the bow that looks very similar to the one I had last year. I went online and Home Depot had it, so I'm wondering if Lowe's has it too. They're right near each other, so if Lowe's doesn't have it, I'll just go to Home Depot. But I genuinely like just want my bow back. And I don't know if I told you guys in my old video, my dad threw away a lot of the Christmas decorations because I'm gonna be moving, and he came over and helped me clean out the house. and he threw out my stuff, and I didn't even pay any mind. So my bow that I got from Walmart last year, I'll post a picture in here so you guys can see it. It is gorgeous, and it lights up and everything. It's a burlap bow. It looks so good on my tree. I don't have it anymore. So I've been Googling burlap bows that light up, and the only thing that came up was one they have at like Lowe's or at Home Depot. But it has like this tinsel in the middle of it, so I'm hoping I can take that off. It says online that you can, because it doesn't go with my tree. But now looking at how I just did my tree with the ribbon, I'm not really sure if I even want a bow at this point because of how the ribbon comes down. So I'm gonna go look and see what they have. If not, I saw a really cute topper here at Walmart that I might go with. But I just love the bow. So we'll see. I want to see how this bow looks, and if it looks okay, then I'm gonna get it. So I will see you guys when I get back home, because I'm probably gonna forget to film all that. So here are some of the ornaments that I picked up today at Walmart that I promised I was gonna show you guys. So I got a big oversized ball. I have another one right there, and then I have one I put on the tree when I came in. So these were all just so pretty, and they really stood out to me. There wasn't much to choose from, but these are ones that I didn't see last time, so I was like, I'm grabbing these. I mean, the poinsettias were there, and I was just gonna order those off at Amazon, which I still might do because you can get them in bulk on Amazon, but at Walmart they were only 99 cents, so I grabbed a couple. I got another one of those gold like flowers, and then I got these, which are new. I just thought these were beautiful. So I got one in gold, or I got two in gold and two in white. And then these little things over here, these white things, I actually had those last year, but they got thrown away with some of my old Christmas stuff. So I just picked up a couple more. I didn't see those this last time I went, so I was actually happy to see them because I was looking for those. And then I got another butterfly, but I got a silver one this time. And I got these cute little ornaments, these little balls. So yeah, you guys, that's really it for these. I think I'm done on these types of decorations. I still want to find some more big balls like this just to put around the tree. Maybe like 10 more. 10 might be overdoing it. Maybe 5 or 6 more. And then my tree topper as well, I can't find. I just want something to go up here, which is hard because I'm trying to figure out how I want this to look. So I'm gonna just keep looking online until I find something. I'm probably gonna end up ordering something off of Amazon instead of going with the bow because everyone seems to not have it anymore. So that's the story with the tree. Yeah, so that's it for this.